Hi everyone, today I will teach you how you can make your own hashtag strategy for your Instagram post and to gain more followers and engagement. Let's move on to my screen recording. At first, open Doc or your notes and copy this. Here I will give an example for food bloggers and this particular niche. Now you can make some spaces for each set because here we will be filling hashtags accordingly. Go to your Instagram and search for keywords related to your niche. As you can see, there are tons of hashtags from millions above to smaller ones. So how to choose the right hashtags, right? Go to any hashtag you like and scroll down to the recent post. See the dates. If the last post is posted few days or few seconds back, it's active hashtag, so you can use it. Second point is scroll up and see the top hashtags engagement. If the likes and comments are similar to what you get on your post, then your post can also be ranked on top post. If your post get ranked on top on certain hashtags, your content will get maximum number of reach and new audiences will find your post. Top ranking will totally depends upon the quality of content and the speed of engagements on your post. So number 3 to remember is that avoid banned, typos and dead hashtags. So once you fulfill all of the hashtag on its range, now you have to make set for each hashtags. Because Instagram allow us to use 30 hashtags per post. So here we will combine hashtags from each different range so that we can target all of the keywords. By the way, if you need these hashtag sets for social media marketing, link is in the description. Now let's debunk a myth. Using millions and big hashtags gives you maximum number of reach is complete biggest myth that you are following. Because in this case, your content will be lost, so it's impossible to rank on such hashtags. So always use the set of hashtags from all different ranges. Also, don't use the same set every time. Remember to shuffle the hashtags for each post. And the another bonus hack is how to get engagement as soon as you post your contents, right? So these techniques are used by almost every brands. So go to your Insta post or find the hashtag your targeted audiences might use and start engaging with others' posts such as liking and putting the genuine comments. There you can also find your potential clients. And if you do this 15 minutes before and after you post your new contents, you will see the maximum number of engagement for sure. So the last and the best bonus is this is how you can see which hashtags are working on your Instagram post so you can develop in future and you can strategize accordingly. Go to your post, view insights. If you can see some numbers in front of the hashtags, then your hashtag did work and got impression. Now hit create promotions. Don't worry, we are not gonna promote here, so no need to fill the payment field. Fill up the required details, accept the payment part. Once you are almost there, hit back on your screen. Now there you go. You will be able to see all the in-depth and in detailed which hashtag is working and which is not.